Hi, in this video, we will see how to run the robot software on Raspberry Pi and how to test the APIs that we have defined using Postman. So first of all, we can see this RPI software folder. It is the base folder for the entire robot software, and the rtcode.cpp file is entry point to the robot software application. So if you want to run the application, we can press F5 on rtcode.cpp file and the application build will start. And once the build is complete, the application will run. So now, as you can see, the application is up and we can hit the APIs. So let's start. So we have defined a command API in the Raspberry Pi software, robot software, and we can send multiple commands to the software and we can get the response from it. Now, so there are a few commands that are defined in the robot software. First of all, we will see the deploy command. In the deploy command, we are passing the command ID and the required parameters for the command in the JSON body of the HTTP request. And we can simply test it by pressing the send button. So we are now waiting for the response from the server. So we got the response from the server with HTTP status code 200, which means everything went fine. And in the response, we can see action taken key with value as 1. This basically means that the command which has successfully completed is the command with ID 1. And we got some return values for this command 11 and 12. These values are currently the dummy values that we are getting from the command. Similarly, we can run another command named retract. This command has a command ID 2 and it also expects 2 parameters. And we can send this command through the API by using the send button. Now we also got 200 OK response for this command as well. And the action taken now indicates 2, which means the second command has run. And we got some return values. These are also some dummy values for now. Now we can see there is another command get status with the command ID 3. And if we run this command, we will also get the similar response from the server with action taken as 3 and return values as 11 and 12. And the fourth command, set charge rate, it has a command ID 4, similar API and 2 params. So if we say send, we will get the similar response with the command which has executed, the command ID and the return values. Now, if we see the host points to the HTTP server inside the robot software. It is listening at port 8080 and it will accept our HTTP request. So this way we can execute the commands through the command API, and we need to pass the command ID with required parameters, and in response we will get the which command has been executed and what are the return values. So that's it. Thanks.